Hello everyone and welcome to this video. And in this video, we're basically going to learn about what is cryptocurrency. Okay? Now, first I'll tell you about the introduction. So, in recent years, the term cryptocurrency has become a topic of immense interest and intrigue. The emergence of Bitcoin in 2009 marked the inception of a new era in finance and technology. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we perceive and utilize money, challenging traditional financial systems and empowering individuals worldwide. This video aims to provide an in-depth understanding of what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and their impact on society, and the future prospects that they hold. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Or now I'll be basically defining cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency refers to a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptographic technique to secure financial transactions, which basically control the creations of new units and verify the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional fiat, unlike traditional fiat currencies such as the USD, dollar, or euro, cryptocurrencies operate independently of any central authority or government regulation. Okay, they rely on decentralized technology, primarily blockchain, to ensure transparency, security, and immutability. Okay, now the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Now, at the heart of cryptocurrencies lie blockchain technology. So, blockchain is basically a public ledger that records and verifies all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped in a block. Each transaction is grouped into a block and added to a chain of previous blocks, creating an immutable and transparent record of all historical transactions. This distributed ledger eliminates the need for intermediaries such as banks, enabling peer-to-peer transactions with reduced cost and increased efficiency. Bitcoin and beyond. Bitcoin, the first and well-known cryptocurrency, was created by an anonymous person or group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's primary objective was to establish a primary digital currency that was resistant to censorship and manipulation. Since then, numerous other cryptocurrencies, such as altcoins, have emerged, each with its own unique features, use cases, and underlying technology. Examples include Ripple, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Now, the benefits and challenges of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages that captivated both individuals and businesses. Firstly, they provide financial inclusivity, enabling anyone from an internet connection to access and participate in the global economy. Moreover, cryptocurrencies facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border transactions, removing the barrier posed by traditional banking systems. Additionally, cryptocurrencies introduce greater security and privacy, ensuring pseudonymity and protecting users' financial information. However, challenges persist with crypto space. Volatility remains a significant concern, as the value of cryptocurrencies can experience drastic fluctuations. Regulatory frameworks and legal uncertainties pose additional obstacles to widespread adoption. Moreover, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies can attract illicit activities such as money laundering and cybercrime. Addressing these challenges is essential for sustainable growth and acceptance for cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies and society. The impact of cryptocurrencies extend far beyond the realm of finance. They have spurred innovation in various industries such as decentralized finance or DeFi in short, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. Moreover, cryptocurrencies have given rise to the concept of tokenization, where real-world assets are represented digitally, increasing liquidity and accessibility. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies have potential. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies have potential to empower individuals in regions with limited financial infrastructure, offering them a means of storing value and engaging in economic activities. This newfound, this newfound financial freedom could lead to socio-economic empowerment and greater financial inclusion on a global scale. Now, I'm going to tell you some additional points to further elaborate on the topic of cryptocurrencies. First is decentralization. One of the most fundamental aspects of cryptocurrencies is decentralization. Traditional financial systems rely on certain authorities or central authorities, such as banks or governments, to oversee and regulate transactions. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, operate on decentralized networks, where no single entity has control over the entire system. This decentralized nature ensures that transactions are not subject to censorship, manipulation, or single points of failure. Security and privacy. Cryptocurrencies provide enhanced security and privacy compared to traditional financial systems. Transactions conducted using cryptocurrencies are secured through cryptographic techniques, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to manipulate or counterfeit transactions. Additionally, while transactions are recorded on a public ledger, the identities of users involved in the transactions can remain anonymous, offering a certain level of privacy. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to address the issue of financial exclusion by providing access to financial services for individuals for individuals who are unbanked or underbanked. In many parts of the world, traditional banking infrastructure is limited or inaccessible. Cryptocurrencies allow individuals to store, transfer, and transact value without the need for traditional banking services. All that is required is an internet connection and digital wallet. Cross-border transactions. Cryptocurrencies have significantly improved the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of cross-border transactions. Traditional methods of transferring money across borders is often slow, expensive, and require intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies enable direct peer-to-peer transactions across borders, reducing the need for intermediaries and associated fees. This has This has the potential to revolutionize remittances, international trade, and global financial interactions. Innovation through smart contracts and dApps. Cryptocurrencies, particularly platforms like Ethereum, have introduced the concept of smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps for short. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions written directly into the code. They enable automated trustless transactions without the need for intermediaries. The apps are decentralized applications built on blockchain platforms, offering various functionalities and use cases beyond simple transactions. They have the potential to disrupt industries such as finance, supply chain management, voting systems, and more. Now, we have environmental concerns next. The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has garnered attention to the energy intensive process of mining. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has garnered attention due to the energy-intensive process of mining. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process requires significant computational power and energy consumption, including electrical energy. Efforts are underway to develop a more efficient consensus or energy efficient consensus mechanism and sustainable mining practices to mitigate these concerns. Now, I'm going to tell you some key factors that make cryptocurrencies grow. Okay? First, we have high potential for returns. Cryptocurrencies have gained the reputation for delivering significant returns on investment. Bitcoin, for example, experienced a remarkable surge in value since its inception, leading to substantial profits for early adopters. This success story, along with the emergence of other successful cryptocurrencies, has attracted the attention of investors seeking lucrative opportunities. The potential for high returns has made cryptocurrencies an attractive investment option, fueling the trend or growth of cryptocurrencies. Technological innovation. Cryptocurrencies are built on groundbreaking technologies, such as blockchain, which have captured the imagination of technologists, entrepreneurs, and enthusiasts. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology, along with its potential for secure and transparent transactions, has garnered interest across various industries. This innovation potential has led to increased research, development, and investment in cryptocurrencies. Financial freedom. Control over cryptocurrencies offer individuals a level of financial freedom and control that traditional financial systems cannot match. With cryptocurrencies, users can manage their own assets, transact directly with others, and avoid the need for intermediaries like banks. This decentralized approach resonates with individuals who value autonomy and control over their finance, contributing to the growth of cryptocurrency. Increased mainstream adoption. Over time, cryptocurrencies have gained more recognition and acceptance in mainstream society. Major companies, financial institutions, and payment processors have started acknowledging and incorporating cryptocurrencies into their operations. The acceptance has resulted in increased accessibility, usability, and acceptance in cryptocurrencies, driving their popularity among a broader audience. Global financial stability. Cryptocurrencies have gained traction during periods of economic uncertainty or financial instability. Some individuals grew cryptocurrencies as a hedge against traditional financial systems, which may be susceptible to inflation, government interventions, or economic crises. Cryptocurrencies offer a potential store of value that is not tied to any governmental or central authority, making them an attractive option during turbulent times. Technological awareness and accessibility. The widespread, the widespread availability of technology and internet access has facilitated the adoption for cryptocurrencies. People around the world can easily download digital wallets, participate in cryptocurrency exchanges, and engage in transactions. The increasing awareness and accessibility of cryptocurrencies have contributed to the trending status. Supportive community and influencers. The crypto community plays a vital role in driving the trend. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts, developers, and early adopters from, form a supportive network that promotes cryptocurrencies, educates others, and advocates for their adoption. Influencers and thought leaders in the cryptocurrency space have also played a significant role in popularizing cryptocurrencies through their social media presence and public endorsements. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies represent a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and utilize money. They leverage decentralized technology to empower individuals, foster financial inclusivity, and revolutionize industries. However, challenges remain, require regulatory clarity and infrastructure development as cryptocurrencies continue to mature. Their impact on society and the global economy will undoubtedly be transformative, shaping the future of finance and technology. Thank you for watching this video.